make these swans, we need 2 radish full size, one this and one this, and we need cabbage leaves taken out. And to make the beak, we make from beetroot. For eyes we can use clove or black pepper. First of all, we take a little, not the straight radish, we take like this. Now we cut it from here and make like this. Like this. Now we put Beak from beetroot. It is so easy. Cut leaves like this. Wherever we need, we can cut to join like this.